the sperm of a man be putrefied by itself in a sealed cucurbit. So squash, pumpkin, zucchini, etc. You have options. You know, just go out to your garden, put on some nice music, light a candle or two. For 40 days with the highest degree of putrefaction in a horse's womb. Do you have to take the womb out first? Or are you just gonna put pumpkin up there? Okay. Venter equinus, meaning warm fermenting horse dung. What? Is it a womb or is it a pile of poop, dude? Where am I supposed to put my pumpkin? My pumpkin? Where, where am I supposed to put it? Or at least so long that it comes to life and moves itself and stirs, which is easily observed. Oh yeah, that's the easiest part. It'll let you know. It'll let you know when it becomes alive, I guess. After this time, it will look somewhat like a man, but transparent without a body. Without a body. Without a body, so is it like a ghost? Wait, so 40 days. I mean, yeah, if you put like a rotting cum pumpkin inside a pile of horse poop and then just leave it there for 40 days, it'll probably like compost and start steaming, right? So you'll see like a ghostly apparition of steam, probably. If after this it be fed wisely with the arcanum of human blood. What? What is the arcanum of human blood? Where are you gonna get the human blood from? Can you use your own? Jeez. And be nourished for up to 40 weeks. 40 freaking weeks. How long is that? It's 10 months. It's almost a year. So you just like feed it human blood for 10 months? And be kept in the even heat of the horse's womb. There's no way that a pile of horse poop is still going to have like naturally occurring heat after 11 months and 10 days at this point. So does it mean actual womb? And it would have to be inside the horse still. Because if you had taken it out of the horse, then it would also lose its heat, obviously. But then how would you see it become like a man? What am I reading, dude? Uh, Nourished for up to 40 weeks and be kept in the even heat of the horse's womb, a living human child grows therefrom, with all its members like another child which is born of a woman, but much smaller. Dude, what? This has to be a shitpost. This has to be a 15th century shitpost. Like, this is what they would be posting on 4chan in the medieval times, if they had it back then. Let's see what this guy looks like here. Oh, yeah, yeah. This guy looks like he browses the chans here. He looks like he knows what a Pepe is. It's gotta be a troll. It has to be a LARP troll. XD Cope and C Dilate Cringe.